Next, we're going to look at environmental conditions. The environment is very important for a successful coatings project, so let's dive into the different factors which will help you make a decision of when's the best time to apply the coatings for maximum success. When looking at environmental considerations, you can use the weather app on your phone to find local weather information that will help you make the decision as to whether it's a good time to coat or not. You can also use advanced tools like surface thermometers and psychrometers to test the temperature and ambient environment as well. So the temperature is the first thing we look at, and you can coat with Everbright coatings anywhere between 41 and 100 degrees. You want to move with the sun. So if you're working in a hotter temperature, you want to work away from the sun in the shaded parts of a building and make sure that the surface is not hot. And conversely, in cold weather climates, you can work in the sun to ensure that the surfaces are dry before coating. The dew point is actually the most important factor when looking at environmental considerations. It is the point at which condensation settles onto a surface and it creates moisture in the metal, and you want to ensure that your surfaces are always dry. So that's why this dew point is very important. And it's important that the temperature, the ambient temperature, is 10 degrees above that dew point. You want to ensure that the humidity in your area is below 80%, and that again ensures a dry surface for coating. The temperature of the surface is also very important. You want to make sure the temperature of the surface is at least 5 degrees above the dew point and not dropping within a few hours of coating. And you don't want the surface to be over 110 degrees. A good rule of thumb is if you can't hold your hand to the surface for 10 seconds, do not apply the coating. You want to make sure that the coating has proper time to anneal to the surface before the solvents evaporate completely. An ideal coating temperature is 70 to 80 degrees. So you might want to warm up the coating before you apply it, but this isn't necessary, but that is ideal.